Kenya nigo bekirwe igoro y'imyaka 13 na igo abalinse y'imyaka iyo nigo balinse ya morokerio ya Bible.
Mwancho muligeri wegeta sene kya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusine chinga chingiango kwarga nimeyo murobero bwo kumenyoku ya nyirono murobero otoko semi wa mankigoro ye chinchera cyo komenya buyake bwo chenu wetanga kurasa maroire na boigo emechando au asemi beri yaito na ritko rera so murobero nimbwa to mugeni gaiga ekero mononta ito chiko kwanere igoro boroire bumanyikaine bumanyikane tebu na sikosel gochiko tumanyare sikosel mburoire kyo bwiga mbanto kimono bakubwato n'uburoiro bwiga na inde ninkiye koreta uburoiro bwiga ase omubere na karo kene kere nyari kare umuntu nabwato buroiro bwiga chinchera nchiri chieki ago chigotume kwa soko muringoria na boigo obowena na mono achie gotumanya naki gosimbinto kibiri buna mwanya bantu twenda gukora ase ogwetanga kurwase okonyoro buroiro bwiga bwa sikosel gobono mwancho murigereri gokwarganyo beko gosanga 90 komerio erio tobe to kwemanya amanke nyora sensemo ya Facebook na bagatunyoro wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tunyoro wetera Ndizi TV News na boigo na bogotumari boriri yao guso usanga nento kerengerero kya wetera se namba ira se screen yao gabo uno murubero koletwa sore na inche Evelino Sero ekeronta ite ko ira chinga kyabene rumwariga no mugeni weri tkoria rero atumanyiri tariae na mononga yiga gutoka erio tobe tugusanga mange karibu sana se studio.
Biamono Evelyn.
Yes.
Asa Marieta Ngurku Eunice Nyorera. I'm a nurse by profession. Currently, I'm the Deputy Non-Communicable Disease Coordinator in Kisii County. Non-communicable diseases na marwaire aliatari kwambukira kurwaso montoyomo guchia soyonde. Itukoria rero lya kebaene mbuyabona soko ngaligania ase studio yaino. Igere ntebie public about uburoire wa sickle cell. Itwacha rero asengencho World Sickle Cell Day neche ngerwe ewiki egocha litukoria Jumatano. Ko barigania abantu bagusi barimo ratwara ribaga moiche asegeti kya Kisii National Polytechnic no ogochengero kweri tukeria sickle cell yigo chagokolerwa na omageni tugwesko arabe the CS for health Madam Susan Nakuminja. Bono Evelyn obori riswali rigia bururo bwa sickle cell mburere kyobo. Kegusina bokera kongera kinti ganteme buriro bwa sickle cell no buriro bwo affect amanyinga tokoro kinga red blood cells mubero bwo muntu obwate chichembe cha manyinga akoro ko white blood cells ali akonya se kugutanga amarwaire ntobwate platelets ali akonya kero wa gochiru amanyinga abwatana togo bleed mono na red blood cells eyebwate a component a cell tokoronga hemoglobin him nechembe kubugori oxygen ya somubire ono sickle cell yeye kwenda ya affect the red blood cell. The red blood cell structure ya yani shape ya went ko round by concave kerege ndokere round ngora na kere space ngare oxygen weta buya ono komanya konyora the sickle cell the cell has changed its shape from the biconcave from round to sickle shaped. Sickle abantu abange mbabwate gento kerige koroku gyokorabya mauga kengabuna the crescent moon that shape. So a shape eribono ya matire. The red blood cells chinjiro chikotarabu ya samanyinga. Echiko enda chia buatana chia stick to the wall of the vessel of the blood. Remember, the biconcave, the round shape of the red blood cell, rikindi round. Mother rikindi ori rute rigo turungana rice. Lakini usoko rute gente kere sickle cell shape, ingeri go turungana. That is why the red blood cells lifespan yabo omobero itokera rituko go produce your red blood cells.
Yes.
After 120 days, those red blood cells were very west. After 120 days. But you want a genetic issue ya sickle cell, esengenjo kere in that shape okonyo chi red cells che ko destroyed after every 20 days. After every 20 days chia sareka. That's why okonyo ro monto yongo nani ko batebi igoro chi sign na chi okonyo ra manyinga ya somo virata sign. Asengenje ya very fast destruction of the red cells because of the shape of that sickle cell. Tumesema sickle cell shape went over round. Yani the red blood cell should be round.
Yes.
Oreiro bonga kinga ibo kurkur. Oreiro bokuru asaba ibori. Oreiro botari borogi. No moibori okwambukeri omwana. That's why togo tebaiga. Kero monto go chikonyoma. Onye family ya inomo buate sickle cell. Sokoro ya una buate go stato minu. Yendo checking no buate trait. Yani trait tora atwara disease but no buate gene.
Yes.
Kero chiko nyomo mokungu. Nere tiga pimu go sena buate trait. Yugo sena buate disease. Yeko gera probability yani chances chire igoro kero moko nyoma na babere mu buate sickle cell. Abana ba inomo sipira likely to have the sickle cell. Na life yabo itakuwa ime yani bogima wabo life ya unless banyoro obo tunzio buya abantu bate sickle cell kuchandika baraso bogima wabo quality of life ya botiriko bangiya because of lack of maintenance costs they are very high. Bono mo ntoriko tebanga sex ya female nere gotwara mono than the male. Abana bonsipi babwate likelihood ya 50-50 kotwara sickle cell.
Igonyo mwibori kabwato burero bego mwana akoiburu kabo.
Omwana akoburu kabo bwate. Na kibono mwana na kiora akoro manyengo muntu na bwate sickle cell. Once you mongina nyoriro mwana. The first 6 months the red bone the bone marrow meseto yo mwana oria okonyore go tumia manyingali yo mwana abwate kurwa somongina. After 6 months bone marrow bono chachakiro komachwa zero their own cells. Omwana ya 6 months of delivery onyoka abwate the sickle cell atanza kuvimba miguu. Mama mbio mwana mongina ko tengo mwana one ndo chenga magoro ebisanyi ebyabimba. Okoboko gaigase wrist ase ebisanyi bya magoko byonse ebibimbete. And then omwana bwateriberera. So no mwana magata ko tawo mutungo mwati ore go sorosire. The cardinal sign ne chum magoro kobimba amagoko kobimba and then there is fever. Joto kwa mwili.
Yes.
With the time me mwana ko bo mwako yomo omwana uikacha ndengina kari mwana ole health kila siku crisis tazingine toko tabakira magura yako bimba gusama oko to ikuruke crisis kisiko cell chiri chia kilogiri ase veso chia sinu goturumbuka chia beira se pipe yubone veso chia kilogiri. So omwana wansa ko pain a lot of pain, so the baby will be crying. Mwana say njata mai to kwana nginyi wete bobe, the only sign omwana communicate to the mother is by crying.
Yes.
And the child can even refuse not to feed. Mwande kunyara kogonga sababu akuna maumivu. Wana ngento toko tebia family once what detected omwana ogombu yakwa manyoreta ogongire buya 6 months once go swell ya magoro mwiri nyagitari. Number 1 nyagitari kera ikire test nere koroku etonga screening test.
Tutaraikase okorigereria mangana ya test gusenchira abandu bakorigererwa osemba bwato buriro biga wakwanire byorokerera birie kero umwana bwate kero kendo muntu yo monene atarachi kuringori were birongo twarare some signs chinde chonse chikworokie akero kenda amanyumna na bwato buriro biga.
Bono omuntu yo bwata uye tokumuroka maybe tokumuroke career gosabwate trait mbiri ko mochanda mono because ela bungo chikwendo ko batayibikira tokopima a percentage ya sickle cell in the system iko kiasi gani ndo ikoronga HB electrophoresis yani ego classifying sickle cell kira system kira about 50% oyino mondo ule sickle okonyore kire 30% oyone trait muna kareto akwanire HIV one carrier. Are you getting?
Yes.
So huyu mtu mwenye akona sickle cell ndiye anasumbuliwa sana, ndiye anawekwa hata kwa madawa. Mwenye akoni carrier ama the trait aweko ni medication. Yeye anaishi tu life yake lakini a chance yo kuambukirio mwana nero oyo rago chikonyora. Yeah.
Ige chance nero oro na bara abeka abubwata atamanyeti.
Atamanyeti exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bana ne
bono chi sign chomonto ehina ya manata yabako bimbe bisanyi bya magoko na maguru.
Yes.
omwana oyo goiko mwaka oyo mogoso mwaka oyo mone nusu mamu mwabachi kumurira amaisora amaisaraba amaiso yo monto aiga kera toko ringo ria toko nge conjunctiva ere pink normally omonto agotwara pink lakini omonto amanyinga akeiro mubiri amaisa yakoba marabu so mongina rawo tengo mwana nenjendo chengaga sine kona kutwara maisare white so atamleta hospitali toko chikupime kiwango kia manyinga HB level tapata iko less na wanapata inakuwa around 8 to 9 grams per deciliter omonto omogima nomo ango so mwana moko wata within 1 year HB ai went over 16-18 grams per deciliter lakini bono ya manyinga ya ramake because the sickle cell chiko miwa hemolysis breaking down of the red blood cells is very fast hemoglobin digorosi we that's why they become anemic alafu mongino yakifika kitu 3 years atakwambia history that sister umwana ona aguchenjerwa manyinga kera so ukisikia mama akisema mtoto wangu aherwa manyinga mara katatu usako mara kabiro mwaka back of your mind remember sickle cell and then sickle cell nere kwate chi sign muni cha malaria joint pains naboko igoroke fatigue yani okorosa na inde okuigunga kerogo taro okuinge engoro ya eko korindori kwa sababu amanyinga takora taisiania so mobile is fatigability and palpitation.
What about skin? Skin ya rongo chenjere in any way?
Skin ya change lakini once a complication ya soire memono tokurukase liver remember these cells remember HB hemoglobin the oxygen in a tem ego tali wo mubiri umugima so okonyara chisiko seli jajira se liver na bego twara complication skin yo monde jakoba yellow but iyo ikangi sana
okay
yeah
teatra ndaso mutu kubeda keyemo togera na toye togokwanira AVP mebya kiromo na muntu na kyakuringoli gumanya usina bwa toborero mancho murigere limbya mone kirogenderete guturgerera bune gwete ngo togenderete gukwanira oboroire bwa sickle cell korenda wikiraga iga teatra genda aso mutu mukumoke tokoirana na ndento chikoiwa manki
Kimbororo kiobo no mugondo yone esuguma yoka ebalirete burure ina guliangire komera chinsaga chioka yani chiangire nyakibo nkieke bono neriro balibe nobo tunanguka nabwata ga kinyombali mugaka misati ka kiobo tunabwata bosini ninga siara bwakure ka ibona ngosara ngaina ande nkorusyo botubonde ka mugondo okorara bosa
mongina yangu na chaiga toba na wasiwasi yogondro imeduka ya Enokem chinyake chichonsi pi utachakireri na gweli chinsaga tocheka pechi esuguma
chionzi
ya
duka kieye
Enokem Agrofet mubuye boko top mboro
nakikwayeroka
Enokem Agrofet
Agrofet
nabante
obo twabonzi no bogotoka
tambuli chichonsi pi nojire
mbomento ngai bagotoka
kwanda maya
osongo yeto mata
osongo nsa
njena achire ayemo mongina malisa ngetikama ko chikora ko ryo chombe asenge chombe chito na nanyo amagiyoko nongo yanyorabwe Enokem
minyoka anga gwaikire
sokere keke ga mugaka
gatimbu yamono sana mugaka misati ondeta naliyobo tubwechi insaga
tindaga tekonya chiabo eri peinene
raisi
bana mubuko
ngono nchana banganyara kogora
aye bakwa afford
mugaka misati ndeta naliyo spinach ingobana lira baliane
ubasa kutora wasiwasi ndeo sinalichinsaka chao chiangire raiga ira baba gopima bako tingi kifanya kusime kworro kwa beko ibintu byakoraki yasa seria
kakiti gaminyoke whatever Enokem Agrofet mugaka misati nde ondeta naliyo spinach okorro bosongo togoita bwango minyoka chogonsa
namaine ayirira na tarira eduka ya Enoke Mwimeyo Muchobo Songo ilikuwa inyorera amariogo yo guciarira bimeri endagira neti supplement chetugo amariogo yo guciarira ekenyambi chimbusuro amoyo ebicucu byogotuga igatia yanda mange naboko banyora imeyo muchokisi Kenyoro Farmers Cooperative Society eywirange na Market Plaza Goshe naboko banyora opposite Shell Petrol Station eyukali ya Karukiru Falcon Petrol Station bono niko bachakira urusagi rw'abarondorogia imbiye chinsamo chiri cha yogo angena yogo primary wigo naboko bakira eshimi Enokem Agrovet, one harvest at a time.
Mwancho muri ngo kwandika ni asencha benekero twakorera umutima ko iriyo togendere kuiwa mange muna togendere tego semi yuguro ire bwa siko selto abiri tokumanywa na cyuburero bigabo bo cyasumubiro mwanya abantu nabigo ebiorokerero sense and symptoms inchiri cyekiga abono tiga togendere gusanga mange iriyo tekero tkumwarga ndo mugeni iriya bigabo tumanya ekero yanyarekanire mu montoro re biorokerere bigabo sekero muntachire asenya gitari ekero mwana yegeriro asenya gitari cinchira nchiri kigo tumeka ku muringoria iriyo kweneke buna maine na bwatuburero biga bwa sikosel na manacho tumanya naki obugwenya bukurwa nechinjira cyo wetanga kurase oburwere obera na manate yekerenge kenene gyo bokingera litkeri gari ya sikosel ndingere kiekega karibu sana nende
biyamono togendera bono twarorira iki science umwana kero murira kirenya kitari lazima nyakitari tokoira history lazima tuhoria maswali
yes
twanyora maswa twanyora history y'abatavanga umwana oyo irwa manyinga mara gatatu aso mwaka umwana ya gucubimba amaguru umwana ya kolera butamba bwate pain viverera o diagnostic etokurusia manyinga yo mwana oyo aiwe lab laboratory they start from etokuronga furimogram amanyinga kurusi wa irwa analysis Keraba analyze, they want to see three cardinal things as a maningayo. What are they called? The red blood cells in the blood system. But really the level, eke wangu kia maninga somo. Berena bate vya maninga ya vanta, bakonyora, barira, bakonyora lense. So keraba nyaringa maninga yo muriro ya R7, ba ukweli. They must have a question mark behind. And then the cell distribution. It whatever a sickle cell, yet each other pulled to one side together because in that they are not rounded, which they can move easily. So when your cell distribution in the blood is accumulated to one side, they will call this is sickle cell. They have a confirmatory test. Something to confirm that this is now sickle cell, it's HB electrophoresis. Kisi County Referral Hospital, ne wate machine hiyo ya HB electrophoresis, analyze the percentage of the sickle cell in the body. Ekinegen totally egego koriki egego ruseriri result kerege the 50%, less 50%, 0%. Egego korikira 0% itakuwa ati sickle cell. Egego korikira less 50% oyone carrier. Egego korikira above 50% oyone mtu wa the sickle cell disease. That's for confirmatory. Ono iganto buate a plan usento chageto muroverio under the assistance of Tabiti Afia. Yogo pima abantu bakuru family eri buate sickle cell. Tokurunga hemotype C. Hemotype C ono mwana goja clinic toko pima mwana less 1 year. So mwana wens pio goja kisi teaching and referral hospital.
Yes.
Clinic. Oje clinic gobetwe e chanjo. E desk nero ba wetera. Ba koru free. Tokoroka hemotype C, it's a very quick screening test. Keroba test riba rolling likelihood yo mwana na bwate sickle cell trait kama nimogotoma bone lab main for HB electrophoresis for confirmation. Yeah, those are the cardinal diagnostic tests. No monto twarire very confirmed that sickle cell.
Yes.
Obono borweiro komenyana borobu till you die. It is a chronic disease. So these the patients are put on full-time medication. To can afford cardinal types of medication wanawekwa. Eriogo ritangani folic. Folic ne eriogo ne ntetere gokonya red blood cells nyakorosi new cells because into amanya alima eganga ijigo chigo sali gukerensa. So folic no mungina kerago cha clinic ngo bari eriogo li folic tachikonya oro mwana obate ki defect asegete kyomago. So umuntu yobate sickle cell tunampatia folic acid anakunywa kwa katembe kila siku till death comes. Number 2 anapewa dawa inaitwa hydroxyurea. Hydroxyurea ekuchere ko reduce the number of sickle cell. Igere nchichikobucha because siko chikobucha chechikorosi crisis. Igere chichinde chi around chibenge ne chire sickle cell chibenge at least chi complement each other. Hydroxyurea erioga kunyu every day. Number 3 abantu atebanga once the red cells are being destroyed in hemolysis okonya the white blood cells also they are being destroyed. White blood cells ichigo okonya immunity yao wase fight any infection. Abantu abawate sickle cell unapata wakuna infections mingi. Therefore they are given a drug. Ikurunga penicillin V. It's an antibiotic.
Yes.
Anakunywa the whole of life. Number 4 kuna dawa inaitwa Provanil. Na Provanil ego konyo mutaji kutwara mururu na ya malaria because malaria na bate sickle cell ye bate sen kama cha malaria.
Yes.
So we don't want this person with a sickle cell to have any infection. So the 4 cardinal tablets are in tablet form. They are not injectable. So they are easy to take even at home.
Bakabana baige bakwe uchi tablet.
Abana pharmacists erioge rigo ten tablet. But pharmacists go to syrup.
Okay.
Yes. So they reconstitute the drug, but they come in capsule and a tablet.
Yes.
So pharmacists they know how to calculate the dosage bao mongina na kyako mwana botambe. Mwana wokina oba graduate to the 10. Sasa anajua able to take the medication. So those are the 4 cardinal medication omuntu wata sickle cell yakwewa. So prevention.
Totara ikase prevention kero kende umuntu ata era toka muno umuntu obera segeka na mwiburi gosonyorero mwana oyo mwana nabwa atoburero bugana ndi abeire fo oirirege katara mwira nyagetari kero kende ngiye chikabera umwana oyo gasa mother complications yora atumanyinke
omwana oyo atakuwa ki complain joint pains. Once the hemoglobin, the sickle hemoglobin inatembea kwa mwili, aliaseachi ya bwatana. Onya na asenda, mtoto atakuwa kisema nasikia tumbo uchungu. Kama ni kwa joints, atakuwa kisema joint pain. Hata kama kwa head, atasikia headache. So always sickle cell montore vigilant because montore sensitive no mwana oye. Lazima ataona kuna miss hapa.
Yes.
Yeah, and so therefore it is very easy for someone to detect this child of mine taribuya atake step yo kumwere nyakitari. Nyakitari wako take history tunajua hii iko likely kukua sickle cell. Okay. It is very very cardinal. Yes.
Thank you. Tuyo sasa mangana prevention.
So prevention. Tunasema watu wafanyiwe genetic counseling. Bandu twa uchikonyomana find out if family uchikonyoma family nebwata sickle cell. Rakio nyamoko nyara ayeno sickle cell yore. No mwise ko gwanjire ne sickle cell yari. Nje ko advice tiga. Because you will get abana bale sickle cell. Imagine the cost implication, 2 of you na abana mu uchikonyora. Remember Mario gari na bata vitari cheap.
Igo kuna whatever ise otoka usino musacha na bwate
sickle cell.
Usibati tabwati chance yoko nyoro mwana tabwati nero.
Iko.
Okay.
Yeah. So tunafanya genetic counseling. Number 2 tufanye early screening. Na bata vitu na kitu inaitwa hemotype C.
Yes.
Ito screening abana bale less 1 year. Early screening. Because wakati tuna detect early we put these patients on management. Imagine umuntu wate sickle cell kunywa riogoria ebuya. Uwezi jua kama kuna sickle cell. Atafanya activities of his life vizuri, anaenda kazini, there's no stress, there's no pain, there's nothing. Amanyinga yare HB saine above 10. Normally banya gozidi aro 10. Highest sickle agotwara HBs is 10. And therefore wakati tunafanyanga mid blood campaigns ati tupatie damu wakati tunaenda mashule tuwafundisha kama wewe ni sikila toto wa manyinga because tuache wakoraki tuache uita mono na manyinga of course murida uchukua because screening uchera ko rwenye one sikila will ndio tutumia manyinga but the past mwana yo toira manyinga yo kare sikila ataenda kukuwa na complications more atahitaji another transfusion. Another one is nutrition.
Yes.
Balanced, at least you get the immunity. And then adherence. Adherence is different from compliance. Adherence to medication, immunity, you can commute yoga samoja. And then one thing why world
ekero chukwanire kyo mwero kerkendege ntongero rekera banta baga bagendere to gutumia marioga yega iyi ntongero ngero roba bwente wa void okora usechindagira ntro bwente wa void koripi
tumesema bamwe amarwaro to basa kunyumarwa to basa go smoke because already you have a chronic illness.
Okay,
so your immunity is worse, is wanting. So ukikunya pop and other things you might put yourself into more risk. Yes.
Ambia mono sa abantu chikokorera totebi gore kirenge kirene yobo chengera litukeriga nense.
Ono World Sickle Cell Day ego celebrate waigere to chengere chi warrior. Abanta wate sickle cell imbairana na mpatu wara stigma. So we need to recognize that we love them, we know them, they are around. To buy music, to buy healthy talk, how to live healthy, how to have economic empowerment. Amarioga anabatevi na costly, so abantu watu wa NHIF. Ukisikia ukienda hospitali ukiambiwa pima kipimo fulani, tunyokuomba matuwati pesa. Yes. So that's why next week on Wednesday is World Sickle Cell Day. Nabatevi venue ya Karekisi National Polytechnic. The CS for Health, Susana Kuminja, will be available. Egeti ga gundoje tokora screening. Free screening of sickle cell. The family out there was in a word to screen. Then tutafanya pressure, tutapima sukari kila mtu, tutapima HIV. So it will be a big day. So nareko baimiza oyo gutwara ribaga tabasa ko bosari tukerio.
Asante sana nasi so bosemi bubia ngagete no mwanchu muriro bega wesemia bange igoro yo buriro bwa sickle cell metamarire naro bunobu bantu bange batamanyeti bagusiereria mbia manase obosemi ubu mwanchu muriro mbia manase obosangana into una kwabero ko utwabere to kwanire goro buriro bwa sickle cell tabere to kumanyiwa manke ebyorokerera imbiri byebyo borinkore nabayigo cinjira cyoko bweniwa uno bosemi bwabere boko gwegwaga igano mugeni bweritwori rero mboringa abantu tigabatarase kinyagetari babe bakurinkoriwa eriyo bamanye gusimba bwato mu cyandoiga eriyo gutanga go kikonyora abana uskoibura abana abo bwate uburwaire bwa sickle cell no bw'uburwaire bwa sickle cell no burwaire butari kubwena gusibure chronic no burwaire kumenya na barabo ase obugima bwawo igobona buna litkoria jumatane ikego cy'abantu besoke eri babe bakonyora uburinkore bwabosa na abo igo babe bakonyora obokonyi bukonyora mariogo ase kinyagetari weka kinga kicinda somurobero bwo kumenya okuya nigo koretwa sori na nche Evelyn Osero.
Omurobiryo bw'ekigosori na Steven Ndemo nigo gendereire gukumanya aliya gukorekana kurwa sebirubu ao byorogonko rwogusi Kenya n'ensenkima egati yalyo konyora namuna ababwatani kurwa sekigosori